Hey, I know we all want to look our best. This is Angela, and today's show is called Exilis Skin Tightening New York. 1279914 Woman. Reclaim your youthful radiance. And trust me, it's juicier than a ripe pineapple. You know that moment when you look in the mirror and see loose, sagging skin that makes you look years older than you feel? I get it. Maybe you've tried every cream in the beauty aisle, done facial exercises until your jaw hurt, and watched countless YouTube tutorials promising miracle solutions. But here's the thing. Nothing seems to work, right? Let's get real about why those traditional solutions aren't cutting it. Those fancy creams you're spending a fortune on, they're basically just giving your skin a nice drink of moisture, but they can't reach deep enough to make lasting changes. And while exercise is fantastic for your health, it can't restore that lost skin elasticity. Trust me, no amount of face yoga is going to bring back the collagen that naturally diminishes as we age. Speaking of collagen, that's where the real magic happens. And this is why I'm so excited about Exilis technology. Picture this. Instead of just working on the surface, Exilis delivers controlled energy deep into your skin's layers. It's like sending a wake-up call to your body's natural collagen factory. Seriously, I can't make this stuff up. The science behind it is absolutely fascinating. Here's what's happening beneath the surface. The treatment uses radiofrequency energy to heat specific layers of your skin, triggering your body's natural healing response. This stimulates fresh collagen production and helps tighten existing collagen fibers. It's like giving your skin a workout from the inside out. Now, I know what you're thinking. Angela, when will I see results? Here's the scoop. Many clients notice initial improvements within just a few weeks. But the real transformation happens over time as your body continues producing new collagen. Think of it like planting a garden. You don't see the flowers bloom overnight, but with proper care and patience, the results are absolutely worth it. Let me tell you about Sarah, one of our clients who came to us feeling frustrated about her neck area. At 47, she tried everything from expensive creams to those sticky neck patches you see all over social media. After 3 Exilis treatments at our New York clinic, the difference was remarkable. Her before and after photos showed such dramatic improvement that she actually got emotional during her follow-up appointment. Now she's rocking V-neck tops with confidence and telling everyone about her experience. The best part? This isn't some temporary fix that disappears as soon as you wash your face. With proper maintenance and a good skincare routine, the results can last. Of course, we can't stop time completely. I'm still working on that one, but we can certainly help you age more gracefully. Here's what you need to do. Pick up your phone and dial 212-799-1411 to schedule a consultation. Our experts will evaluate your skin and create a personalized treatment plan that works for you. Remember, the best time to start addressing skin laxity is now. Don't wait until gravity has a stronger hold than your determination to look your best. This has been Angela on behalf of PrecisionAestheticsMD.com. Until next time, have a wonderful day, and remember, if you find yourself with unwanted wrinkles, let's see what we can do to help. Later.